All right, good morning. Today we're going to take a look at Excel and some basic chart things here. So first off, we have our data. So we have our freshmen through seniors, and for classes here, we're going to make some charts analyzing that data. So first off, we are going to compare. Let's just go ahead and compare all these. So we're going to go to Insert. We're going to go to our charts over here. So recommended charts, and then you can see we have column, line, pie, scatter. All right, all different charts over here. So let's click on recommended and see what it gives us. So it actually does give me the one. Actually, we'll go ahead and put this one in there. All right. So here you can see, once again, just selecting all the data, it gives me my business law students, and it puts in the legend my classes. Now, if I wanted to switch this around, I can go to Switch Column Data, and now it's going to compare the freshmen and seniors and put the classes here. All right. So you can alternate kind of how you're showing your data if you want to show what students are in a business law class, freshmen through seniors, or show freshmen together and what classes they're all taking. Say we just want to compare two classes though. For example, digital technologies and keyboarding. The way we want to do this is we want to select from A1 down to B5, and then hold D down to D5. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and now we have just our digital technologies and keyboarding. Another way that we can make this chart is, if we do have all of our data selected, we can go to Select Data, and we can get rid of Computer Applications and Business Law. Once again, we just have digital technologies and keyboarding here to show our data. So two different ways to kind of do the same thing. The selecting, the highlighting can be difficult, especially if you're doing this from an iPad, or yeah, sometimes it just gets difficult with the computer as well. So if I want to make pie chart now, actually let's go back. So if we want to label our vertical axis and our horizontal axis, we can go to Add Chart Elements. We can choose Axis Title. So I would say number of students. The caps lock on, that makes sense. All right. Other things that we can put in here are, we can obviously add a chart title. We can change where the legend is going to be. One on the right hand side. We can show trends, grid lines, a data table is going to show the numbers below while showing the graph above. And here's how you change your colors then. Along with changing colors, we have the option to change kind of the design. So these are kind of your pre-made designs. You can actually go into each design. So you can obviously format each design to your liking. You can also go ahead and change what chart you have. And if you need to move that chart to, say, a different sheet, you want it all by itself, so we're going to say new sheet, chart 1. It's going to add that chart down here. Also, if we add a pie chart, so I'm going to take, I'll take the senior class and see the entire senior class and see where they're all taking their classes. So we'll go to Insert, go to Pie. So if we really want to focus on the class here, say keyboarding, we can pull this piece of pie out to highlight it. Let's see here. We can also, if I open up the format pane, you can adjust how you can rotate the pie. You can also take it out manually here. And other data points. So say I bring this point out, you can go to Add Data Label. Alright, and just since this one is selected, it only threw the number on there. If I select the entire pie, and change the percentage. I would have to take this one out since I just added that one in. And you can either fit that inside, outside, put in the center of each. Alright, so there you go. There's how you make your charts in Excel.